Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be doing, oh gosh, this has to be the September Boxycharm unboxing. So the theme for this month is BTS. I don't know what that means, but I like the picture on the card. So here's the box. Let's just go ahead and jump right in, I guess. I always take a quick look at the card just so I know what kind of makeup to put on my face. So let's start with the makeup products. So the first thing I want to try, it's called the Blink Glow Getter Face Palette. Where is it? I haven't actually looked at it yet. It's huge. I don't know why I was expecting something smaller. Okay, the cardboard packaging is cute. I just got my nails done black. I don't know if I told you guys already that I like cut all my long nails off and I've been going with the nubs. And I was just getting white every time, but I was like, I guess it's fall now, so now I'll just get black every time, I guess. Okay. So this is what the palette looks like. Very minimalist packaging, which I like. It's got a nice mirror, and the palette folds back, which you know I love it when a palette folds back. These colors look absolutely beautiful looking at the first glance. This is like, for people who like to take pictures of makeup, this would be a really aesthetically pleasing palette to take a picture of. It's just pretty. I'm going to take a thumbnail with it. Okay. I also know that we got brushes, so I want to check out the brushes first because I might be able to use them. The brushes that and by the way, the palette is $50. Wow. That's expensive. It's a big face palette, so I guess it's actually a reasonable price for a palette like this because they're big sizes and there's a lot of different shades of blushes and highlighters. But let's see what the brushes are. This is the Elena Badro Baby Blues set. This creates a seamlessly flawless makeup application. Contour, blend, and define with these 3 decadent brushes. $58. Let's see what's in here that's worth $58. Does anyone ever keep these? Because I don't. Like, I'm never going to use this to put brushes in. Like, if I want to take my brushes somewhere, first of all, I'm a little ghetto. I just shove them in my bag. But even if, I would just put them all into, like, a makeup roller. Like, I don't know. Oh my gosh. They're so pretty. I just don't think we're going to be able to use them to apply this palette. But, oh my gosh, they're, like, mermaidy. Like, mermaid blue metallic with white bristles, which is beautiful. They're ridiculously soft. Wow. So, what did it say this was for contouring? Contour, blend, and define. This is a sharp angled brush I feel like I would use for eyeliner or for fixing my lips. This I would not use to contour my nose or anything. I would use this as an eyeshadow brush. So not really. This I would use as a highlighter brush. I don't use brushes like this to contour anymore. I use a much more dense one. But I think that we could use it for the blush. We could try to use it for both. So immediately my eyes go towards the shade Resilient and this one here, which is called Ambitious. In my opinion, the tones of blush that look best on the face are like the warm mauves. I feel like whether you're pale, super, super dark skinned, or like somewhere in the middle, I always think that these are the most flattering. Sometimes the pinks can get a little bit weird. So I think, what do I want to go for? I might go for the darkest one because I am wearing pink lipstick. I don't want it to like clash with my lipstick. So it is very pigmented. Tap off the excess. There's not much fallout. So I'm trying to look in my mirror, but also make sure you guys can see. All right, ready? Let's see. Is it going on my skin? Oh yeah, it is. Like, see, you see the difference. Yeah, you can see how this one's got some color. Oops, I accidentally clicked the wrong one. All right, let's do this cheek. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? So I like to practice playing around with my blush placement. I never wear blush, first of all, because it's just not, like, I'm not a huge blush person, but I've been playing around with it if I do wear it, and I found that putting it higher up on the cheekbone can help your face contour almost, like, make your cheekbones look higher and more defined. This is beautiful. It is like pretty pigmented. Like I feel like I have to take my brush and just kind of dab over it to help blend it in. But that's also could be my fault because like I said, I never wear blush, so I could just be going in too heavy-handed. But look, I just tapped it out and it's still really beautiful. And like that darker shade is just adding to the contours of the face and it looks really good. So I like that. Now I'm wondering if I can like brush this off and then use it for the highlighter. But I don't want to get highlighter like all over me. So let me not. Maybe. You guys know I like to use the brushes because I want to like prove to you that you can use your box to get the look. So I'll just use this. We can use a tiny brush for highlighter. And I immediately am actually leaning towards, I'm in between Empowered and Brilliant. Let's do Empowered. Empowered is a tad more neutral, and Brilliant is a little bit more gold. This one's a little bit more bronze, and this one, I don't even know. That one's pretty neutral as well. This is my kind of highlighter palette because I don't like pink highlighters. Like, I don't like the tinted highlighters. Like, I like a solid, like, gold. You know what I mean? So this is like a bunch of different shades of gold. Like, there's no pink tones in here at all. I'm going to start by putting it on my nose. It's pretty. Put a little bit in the inner corners. And you can see it already. I loved it. I'm going to take this one over here and put it right here. If you guys haven't tried highlighting your upper lip yet, I really recommend you try it. I just feel like it adds a little something to the face. Honestly, I'm just kind of like mixing all of them, just not the dark one because I'm not tan right now. So I'm just gonna lightly flutter it. I promise you, you can do anything with your makeup and your brushes. Like whatever kind of makeup you have and whatever kind of brushes you have, it's more about the technique and just like being careful than anything. So don't let nobody tell you can't use like a brush like this for your highlighter. Even if it's not meant for it, you can make it work. You just have to work slower and make sure that you cover the area because typically a bigger brush, you just go whoop. But with a smaller brush like this, you just have to make sure you cover the surface area. That's all. Look how pretty that is. Very nice. I like it. It gives a nice sheen. It's actually quite subtle. Like, it almost looks like sweat, which I like. Like, I like a natural, sweaty looking glow. So, I'm a huge fan of this and a huge fan of the brushes. And our box is already at $108, which is freaking crazy. What do I do with the card? I want to see what's next. Ooh, we have a brow gel. That's probably this. This is the St. Luxe Beauty Brow Gel, $22. So, we're just really expensive today. Let's see if it has a color or if it's clear. I have been neglecting my brows because they are microbladed to perfection, but when I put makeup on, like my foundation, it gets all over my eyebrows and like covers them up. So I need to start using gel to help like redefine them after. Cute packaging. It's clear, which is great because honestly, sometimes I feel like when you try to use like a tinted brow gel, they are just doing too much. Oh, you know, I really, like, look at that. I think it took away some of my foundation, which is a good thing, like, to help make you be able to see my brow a little bit more. Now, if you've never tried a clear brow gel, I recommend that you try it. You might think, like, oh, what the heck is it going to do? But I swear to you, it, like, defines each individual hair, and you can see them more. My favorite one in the world is Hourglass brow gel. And I'll have to see how this compares once it dries. I do think it's a bit more liquidy. Like, Hour Gel's a little bit more, like, sticky, and it really, like, sticks them into place. But it's always great to put a clear brow gel on. I always recommend it. So I'm happy that that was in our box, especially because my Hourglass one ran out, and I really needed one. Because I only have the colored ones, and the colored ones, I just feel like they make your brows look messy. So what do we have next? This is the insert name here, Quick Slick Hair Essence. Easily touch up your hair. Oh my gosh. My allergies have been so bad. Non-flaking to slick and smooth your baby hairs and flyaways. $22. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. I can probably use it right now too because, I mean, hello. Oh, and like, hello. Like, like, what's going on with my bun? Oh, it's like not even a bun anymore. Honestly, you guys, I mean, when am I ever not a hot mess? All right. Ooh, weird. Oh, it's covered in plastic. I was like, that's an interesting shape. But it's covered in the kind of plastic that's hard for me to get off. Oh, it looks like a mascara wand, and you can see that the product is clear with maybe like a tiny bit of white. Let's practice. I want to practice on this right here. See it? There it goes. And mind you, that's like, that was a huge one. That's not even necessarily a baby hair. Like, that was actual, like, chunk of hair. It worked! Let me feel what it feels like. It doesn't even feel sticky at all. Wow, let me, like... I really shouldn't be doing this because my hair is clean and I'm going to get product all over my hair, but... I think this might be my new, like, fun product just to play with. Because you guys know me, I always just let my baby hairs loose because I really don't care, but... Well, let me... Ah! Okay. Alright, I can see how it can get annoying because it does get, like, caught in your hair a little bit. So what I would say, this is gonna work better when you do it the right way. So slick your hair back in a ponytail and then, like, use this. Like, my hair is really not done at all right now. So I'm not giving a good example. I don't think you would be able to do your edges with something like this because it's not sticky, but I think it's good for, like, the little ones. And when I part my hair down the middle, it would be nice just to make sure that all the hairs are down because I like it to be, like, super sleek. So that's a cool product that I'm happy to have. Yay. Sorry, I'm, like, dying. Dr. Brandt Triple Antioxidant Eye Cream. This is the last product in the box for $46. So our box is literally, like, $300. It might be the most expensive box I've ever had. I love Dr. Brandt, and I only ever tried it because of Boxycharm. It's a very expensive brand. Shield boosted with antioxidant, age defense, and anti-stress ingredients. I need that. And it's an eye cream, so I'm assuming I put stuff like this on at night. Reduce the look of wrinkles, fine lines, protect against radicals, and moisturize. So maybe you could use it in the morning if it's a protectant as well. But just a cute little tube like this. And like I said, Dr. Brandt is a fantastic brand. Super high quality. Smells like nothing. So I'm very happy that this is in there. And we have to take care of our little wrinkly eyes. So this is important. Okay, that is everything that was in the box. I'm actually extremely pleased with this box. That palette is beautiful. And typically I'm not excited by, like, stuff like that. Like, blushes and stuff like that, but that was a really good palette. I'm sorry, my hair is, like, literally falling out. Honestly, I don't know what I'm doing with my hair, but anyways, I'm just really happy with the palette. The brushes were nice, the brow gel is useful, the hair thing is useful, the eye cream is useful, and then the palette was beautiful, so I'm happy. And we got a lot of bang for our buck this month. So leave me a comment down below, let me know if you got your box yet, and let me know if you got different variations or what the deal is. Please give this video a thumbs up. It'll help me out. I'm trying to get back into my YouTube channel again, so I would appreciate it if you give it a like and a comment, and I will be responding to you guys down below.